Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a cabinet door mounting jig. And so I think it's gonna let us mount so we can mount the little hinges. Do you see the hinges on one of these? That's there, onto those. So let's just see what the jig looks like and kind of explain it. See what it'll do. It looks like it's a single piece here. And no additional instructions other than what's on the back. So here it is. So you'll hold it down there so that'll hold onto the shelf, and then you can rest the door on top of it there. So that's kind of how it will be. Trying to think if any of these shelves here will match that particular one. I don't have the same size shelves next to each other than these are just huge full ones, but the concept is gonna still work. It's just gonna be very hard to see because it'll be on the bottom. So the concept will be, I will loosen this and I'm gonna, hey everybody. Okay, so I have the little device here and I unscrewed it so it will fit in here. And what I can do for the cabinets is, if I was going here and making this cabinet, I would go like that, cinch it up on here, and then look, my cabinet, this is adjustable. So this is how I decide how far down I want the cabinet. So if I decided this is where I want it, this is where it will be. The cabinet will sit on top of that, and then that's how I screw it in. And then I can go and move this to every other cabinet in my kitchen, and they will all be at the same height. Just leave this one tight and keep going and adjusting all the cabinets to be at the same level. So that's how you'll be able to add cabinets, and then you screw it into the side, which gets the right height. That's how you're able to keep cabinet doors level as you're installing them. So if you always ever wonder how they do it, something like this, usually they'll make a jig on site for the particular one, but this one here, that should have a nice metal one here that's gonna keep everything great. So thumbs up for sure.